Alright, Assalamualaikum. Okay, kita akan bincangkan jawapan. So, based on the investigation below, state your observation and reason. Yeah. Alright. So, look at here. Ini adalah basic needs for a plant's growth. Okay. Keperluan asas bagi tumbuhan. Apa yang tumbuhan perlukan? What does the plants need to grow? Okay. So, we have the basic needs which are air, water and sunlight. So here, look at number 1, observation. The plant wilts or unwilt. Apa akan berlaku if we put the transparent plastic on the leaves, on the plant? Okay, what will happen? So the plant wilts, akan layu. Sebab apa layu? Why? The reason, the plant, what happened? The plant does not get air. Kerana tumbuhan tidak dapat apa? Tidak dapat udara. Ya? Cahaya matahari ada tak? Ada. Tapi bila ditutup dengan plastik, when we put the transparent plastic, dia tak dapat nak bernafas. Ya? Alright, next. Alright. So we go to the next question. Okay, so the plants direct to the sunlight. So the plants get the sunlight, and then we watering the plant, so the plant get the water. So what observation that we can see? What is the observation that we can see here? Okay, so the plant wilts or unwilt. Apa berlaku? Tumbuhan akan apa? Unwilt. Ya, sihatlah. Sebab apa? Ada udara. Okay, the plants get the air, the plants get the sunlight, and then the plant gets the water. So the reason, the plant gets all the basic needs. Sebab apa dia tidak layu? Sebab the plant gets all the basic needs. Kerana tumbuhan ini akan hidup subur kerana dia telah mendapat kesemua keperluan asasnya. Okay. Alright, next question 3. Observation. Okay. If we put the plant inside the black box. Okay. Kotak hitam. Bila kotak hitam, maksudnya di dalam keadaan gelap. So the plant does not get the okay, the plant akan apa? Dia tak dapat apa? Dia tak dapat cahaya matahari. It cannot get the sunlight. So what happened to the plant? So the plant akan apa? Alright. So the plant wilts. Okay. Reason why the plant wilts? Kenapa tumbuhan akan layu? Kerana the plant, dia tak dapat apa? Does not maksudnya tidak dapat. The plant does not get the sunlight. Okay. Okay. So bila kita tutup dengan kotak hitam, dia tak akan dapat direct matahari. Kan, dia tak dapat direct cahaya. So bila dia tak dapat cahaya, dia telah kekurangan satu keperluan asas. So dekat situ dia dah tak boleh nak bertumbuh dengan subur. So that's why the reason the plant does not get sunlight. Alright.